Hi everyone, I am Arya AS, a final year BTech student from Rasamji Institute of Technology, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. So I am here to present my MERN project which I have completed during my internship at WebStack Academy. The contents of this presentation include overview, the goals of internship, about full stack web development, MERN development, project requirements, the architecture and design, and the project implementation and conclusion. About WebStack Academy. WebStack Academy make life easier by innovation, technology, and education in multidisciplinary field by maintaining high standards of quality. Overview. During my internship period, I learned about MongoDB, React.js, Express.js, and Node.js. I have also worked on the project integrating these technologies, understood best practice in MERN development, and gained hands-on experience in full-stack web development, and received mentor support throughout the internship. The goals of the internship include mastering of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and gain proficiency in full-stack web development techniques, understanding of best practices in MERN development, and ability to build full-stack web applications, and the development of problem-solving and collaboration skills, and the preparation for a career in web development or related fields. About the full-stack web development. It refers to the practice of developing both the client side, that is front-end, and server side, that is back-end portion of web applications. Basically, full-stack web development is the combination of front-end and back-end development, whereas the front-end include user interfaces which are implemented using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and JavaScript frameworks like React.js, AngularJS, and Vue.js. The backend consists of server and databases. As web applications implement client-server architecture in which client sends the request to the server and server responds to the requests. So for this HTTP protocol is used. HTTP protocol uses HTTP response message and HTTP request messages for this. So different server-side languages are PHP as .NET, Java, Python, and Node.js. And whenever the user enters their data in the website for registering or other things, all these are stored in the database. For these various databases like MongoDB, MySQL, and MS SQL are used. So the main responsibility of the full stack web developer is to implement both the front end and back end in order to develop the web application and increase the integrity and scalability of website. About the full stack web development. Front end, which involves building the user interface of web applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where HTML is a skeleton which defines the structure of the web application, where the UI element will be placed on the web application is defined using HTML, where CSS is the skin of the web application which defines the looks and feel and style of web application. JavaScript, it is the brain of the web application that defines the functionality of the website. Front-end developers focus on creating interactive and visually appealing experiences for users. Frameworks like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js are commonly used for front-end development. The full-stack web development of the backend involves building the server-side logic and databases that power web applications. Backend developers handle tasks such as data storage, user authentication, and server configuration. Technologies like Node.js, Django, Flask, and Ruby on Rails are popular for backend development. The MERN development. The MERN is a popular JavaScript used for building dynamic web applications. It's an acronym that stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. The M stands for MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that uses a document-oriented model. It stores data in a flexible JSON-like document, making it easy to manage and manipulate data. The E for Express.js is used to build web servers and APIs, handling HTTP requests and responses, routing, middleware, and more. It is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides robust and set of features for web and mobile applications. The R is for React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components that efficiently update and render as data changes. It follows component-based architecture. The N stands for Node.js. It allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server side, enabling the development of scalable and high-performance web applications. About the project. About Homely Hub project implemented using the MERN stack. Homely Hub is a platform that lets people find and book unique places to stay while traveling. Whether it's a cozy home or a fancy villa or room, you can experience a personalized stay. Hosts can also earn money by sharing their spaces. The project requirements are Visual Studio Code, MongoDB, React.js, and Node.js. The VS Code, it is an editor that is used to create the scripts and implement the functionalities of the project. MongoDB is used for data storage. React.js is used for implementing the responsive uses, and Node.js is used for implementing the server-side scripting. Architecture and design. As we have seen that the front end consists of user interface implemented using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and the backend consists of server and MongoDB. The communication between the request and response of the backend and frontend is done using the Express.js, which is the framework of Node.js. And for storing the data, MongoDB database management is used. In this way, the architecture of the MERN stack works. So, the architecture of the project is MongoDB stores property and user data, Express.js, and also booking data is stored using MongoDB. And Express.js handles server-side logic and API endpoints. React builds dynamic and responsive UI for property listings and bookings. Node.js runtime environment for server-side execution, enabling seamless front-end and back-end communication. Modular structure. Components for user authentication, property search, and booking features. State management. Redux integration for efficient data flow within the application. The RESTful API facilitates communication between client and the server. Features of Homely Hub. User authentication. Only authenticated users are provided to perform the booking. And the search and filters, in which user can search their required destinations. View listings, which provides all the available places to the user. Property listings. Using this, we can upload or host accommodation on the website. The booking system is used for booking the places. User profile, where accommodation and booking details are displayed. And the payment integration, for this type is used. It is a payment platform that lets you accept the credit and debit card of the popular payment around the world. And the responsive design is implemented using RESTful API and React.js. Project implementation. This is how the home page of the Homely Hub looks like. So let's see the demo of the Homely Hub project. This is the home page of the project where you can see the search bar and the dates which you want to say when booking, and the number of guests can be added in this search bar. Here is the logo of the user login. If you click on the logo, you will be able to log in using your email ID and password, and you will be redirected to your home page when you click this Homely Hub icon. We can see the places displayed when you hover over any picture, and when you click any place you want to book, it will show the photos of the place which are displayed like this. You can view the photos of the place you want to book, and the description of the place and the information about the maximum number of guests also listed here, and the facilities that are provided in the place, and the location of the place and the extra information are also listed. We can also book through this by giving the details as required. We won't be able to book the place until you log in to this website. If you want to create a new account, you have to click the new user, enter your details as required. Your account has been created successfully. You will be able to see your details as you have created your profile. We can also edit or change password when logged into your account. We can edit your name as and you can also choose the avatar you want to create in your account. We will be able to update the profile according to our requirements. You can also change the password in this. The password has been updated successfully. So we will be able to see the bookings we have placed. As far as now, we haven't booked anything, so it is showing my bookings are not available. And we have also the my accommodations, where we can add a new place if any of it is worth uploading. We can also book if we have been logged in. Let's book a place. We have also facility to enter the card details as well. As of now, I have booked a place in Oliven for 2 nights, worth 6,000. I have implemented this using the Stripe account where the payment invitation has been done. For the accommodation also, we can add new place, that is we can add photos about the new place, etc. So I will be giving the name as Radisson Blue Hotel. Lashkar Valley. We can also upload 5 images minimum of the place. In the description, we can write the name of the hotel. We can also the type and room type and the amenities that are provided in the hotel. We can also provide the extra information and the maximum number of guests they can accommodate and the price per night. And so the accommodation is shown in the my accommodation section. And in this, we have used Cloudinary for implementing functionalities. Cloudinary provides secure and comprehensive APIs for easily uploading media files from server side directly from the browser. Here we have the logout option where we can log out and user has been logged out successfully. It will be shown if we log out of the account. If you have to again log into your account and if your forgot your password, you can click the forgot password and enter your email. It will show us email sent and please check your inbox. We have the mail trap, which is an email delivery platform. If I click on reset password page, it is an end-to-end saving solution for business and individuals to test, save, and control the emails at one place. If I change any password to new password, it will show password change successfully. MongoDB is used for storing the databases. In this, we can see the our project Homely Hub, where there are bookings, property, users, etc. which are listed, like where we can see the number of users that have created their account. Where there are, we can see the name, email, password, phone number, avatar, the password which is encrypted, and avatar with the date at which the profile created, time, and which it is updated, password reset expires, etc. of various users that have created a profile. So this is the project we have made and completed during this internship. Conclusion, the learning experience was valuable exposure to non-stack technologies during internship at WebStack Academy, gained practical skills, developed proficiency in MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and feature implementation, successfully integrated essential functionalities like user authentication, property search, and booking capabilities, scalability, and maintainable code base. Thank you for providing me the internship and completing the project on MERN stack.